Forced now to start over, but where do they start? A victim of the March 3rd, 2020 tornado says first things first, call your insurance. Secondly, take a deep breath and know eventually everything will be okay.
Right now, things are hectic.
John EDLIN once felt the way some of you do right now.
It completely destroyed our house, and a big old tree fell on both of our cars as icing on the cake.
It's a different scenario, but similar large-scale disaster.
You've been through a very traumatic experience.
Now he's here to walk you through yours.
So we had a local agent. It was with State Farm. We had a local agent that was right down the road. And we gave them a call and basically said, hey, we lost everything in this EF3 tornado. What do we do? And they said, oh my gosh, so sorry. Come over and get $1,000 check so you can get like the necessities.
They were put up in a hotel, got a check for both cars the following week and their full renter's insurance a week later. To ensure you have a similar experience, Kevin Walters is sharing important information about filing insurance claims. He says file your claim as soon as possible.
If your home is damaged to the extent that you cannot live there, ask your insurance company if you have coverage for additional living expenses.
Document damage with pictures or video and make the temporary repairs necessary to prevent further damage, but don't make permanent repairs until after your insurance company inspects the property.
Unfortunately, in Tennessee, most Tennesseans don't have flood insurance. There are only about 27,000 flood insurance policies in all of Tennessee, which means that without flood insurance coverage, that leaves homeowners to pay for the repairs and rely on federal financial assistance in the event of a flood.
The president approving a disaster declaration, making grants for temporary housing, home repairs, and low-cost loans to cover uninsured property losses available to those impacted. Meantime,
if you ever feel as if you've ever been unfairly denied an insurance claim, that our department, Commerce and Insurance, is there to help you.
As for other help, EDLIN says don't be afraid to ask.
And all those things that you thought were so important are no longer as important. But the community and family are the most important.
He said it right there. Well, if you have questions about filing a claim or your insurance policy, contact the TDCI team at 615-741-2218.